Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Binky here today. I know you did not expect to see me. So I realized it's been such a really busy week, it always is, that I was supposed to do a project today outside of my work. I have like friends and we have projects that we work on, and I'm supposed to have the Zoom project to work on said project, and I forgot. So I'm like, you gotta put makeup on. And so I had to read through what was sent and go over my part and deal with the yeah, so I am here. Yes, day 5. So we want to make it short, a little nugget, much like what I tried earlier today, like these delicious chocolates. So here it is. Noah. Ooh. You know what's funny about it is that now I'm showing stuff and it's kind of becoming repetitive. I didn't know they were all caramels. Though the Richard, I always say it wrong, chocolate was a different taste. The other ones were salted caramel. This one has a smokier taste to it and I don't know what it is. So finally a different flavor, though I think I like the salted caramel better than the one I had today, but it was still really delicious. But I'm not quite sure what it is. Sonk. Okay, and then, the Hotel Chocolat. Very good. That was a new flavor. The raspberry one has been my favorite thus far, though, I have to say. But it looks like there's only 5 flavors. And then the Christopher Elba, which I just got. So good, my friends. It's so good. Every single day is a different flavor. That's what I thought they all were going to be. That's what I want. That's what I want. And so I'm happy that one of them did that, because I didn't want repeats. Nobody wants repeats, especially when you're paying that much for chocolate. You don't, even if you got a discount, which I did, it doesn't matter. I don't want repeats. No repeats, but I'm getting repeats. You could do that if you're paying $20 for a box, but not when you're paying these prices. But whatever, that's not what you're here for. So, about yesterday, we'll go over that quickly. We were given many mascaras. Actually, I have them here. I'm not going to complain to my friend for doing that because, you know, he's the one doing me the favor. So these are 3 of the 4, just a lot of mascaras. I did not try them. I will eventually. You'll probably not hear about them for a while, because I mean, I'll probably crack open one here soon, but didn't really use them. And then there's this lovely, which is peach. Yes, from Skin Food, and it's the new version. So I did use this, and the nice thing is it has a beautiful peach scent to it. I love it. I love the peach scent, but the thing is you can't smell it once it's on. You can smell it here. This is really beautiful, beautiful powder. It's really finely milled, and I've been wearing it for a couple hours, and I just absolutely love it. It is very white, but it's supposed to be translucent, but it's still white powder. So, you know, if you have like deeper skin tones than mine, I mean like medium and up, you probably wouldn't want to use this. But I really love it. I really love it. It goes on beautifully. I mean, my skin will break through soon because it's me. I'm really oily. I'm loving this. This is probably my favorite thing thus far. So yes, but let's go on today. It's not about the past. Today's about December 5th. I'm excited. So here we go. Recycling the Georgia Viv from Anthropologie. I say this every day because people are looking for that. No, this is do-it-yourself type. Do it yourself using another company's old box, because I don't want to, I mean, come on, reuse, man. It's about recycling. So day 5. What is this? Oh, I was wondering where these were. I was actually looking for these, and I'm okay that there's 2. I had just gotten these, and I'm like, where are these? I just got these, and I couldn't. I couldn't find them. So these are just adorable. These are Dear Darling Water Gel Tints. Yes, Etude House. And these are just so pretty. So pretty. So what I will probably do, because I don't want to have this on my arm forever, and it will be on forever. It will be on forever. I'm probably going to swatch these and then take pictures and then put them up tomorrow. But these are so cute. These are just adorable. And I'm so excited to try these. So, and these are really pretty colors. Like a lot of the time Korean brands will go into more of an orange based kind of color a lot of the time with their lipsticks, and I will try something thinking, oh, it's a cool tone, it becomes warm tone. And that's okay, you know, but it's not for me. So this I'm actually really excited about. Look how cute that is. It's like a little popsicle. That is just adorable. How do you even open this? Oh, okay. I haven't even opened it. I know nothing about it. Please don't splat on me. Oh, it smells like a little bit fruity and stuff, but I'm really excited about these. So this one's kind of like this purpley mauve. I mean, mauve by definition is purpley, but this is even more purpley than usual. So cute. I will gladly use these. I will gladly use these. I was looking for these. It's like for a month going, where'd they go? I mean, I probably misplaced them, and then like you found them. And then there's this kind of burgundy color. I'm curious how they go on though, because you know they're tinted, so it's, I don't know if they're going to be opaque or what. I have no idea, but tune in tomorrow to find out, and I'll talk about them again on this channel. It's not like they'll just disappear and you'll never hear from them and go, grr, Binky. No, I'm not going to do that to you. This is going to get harder though around the holiday. Like, I know I'm jumping ahead. Just bring on Betsy. Oh, Betsy. Oh, Betsy. Okay, so here we go. That's what I call this thing, because it's heavy like a child. Though, with products coming out, it's less. So, it ripped too, because this got in the way and ripped. But that's okay. It's not about this. So, day 5. Day 5. Day 5. That one ripped too. That's okay. That's okay. Day 5. Okay. All right, Betsy. Gotta do my ab work still. Okay. So, this is Pep Balm from Pep Balm Recharger. So it's a Pep Balm. So it's a Pep Balm. There's 5 colors. So it's a balm. It is a balm. Let's see. So I don't really want to, I'm wearing lipstick now, but I'm curious to see what it looks like, and I don't really have anything. So in that, to wipe it off, whatever, you only live once. So here we go. Let's just do this so that everybody can see. Pulled up the safety thing. It's actually really pretty. It doesn't really smell like much, but it's really pretty. That is really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. So it's like a balm that looks like this. I made it look like an upside down smiley face. Hey, it's December 5th. Yay, it's the holiday. So I guess I am happy. So yeah, it makes sense. But I really don't want to put it on, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, so a little bit surprising. There's just been a lot of makeup in this, hasn't there? A lot of makeup in this. Because I always thought it was more of a skincare box, and it looks like the last 3 days have been cosmetics. Which I love cosmetics, but I thought it was more like skincare stuff. So that's unique. Like, here's the brow pencil. It's actually still here. Brow pencil. This I love. And then that. And I'm sure I'll love that balm. Hi, Lulu. I'm sure I will love that balm. But, yeah. It's more makeup than I expected. But that's okay. That's okay. So, yes. This is day 5. Excited. I don't know if you... I'm not even going to say it anymore. If you see me, you see me. If you don't, you don't. The love's still there. So, yes. This is December 5th. Thanks for stopping in again. And until tomorrow, have a fabulous evening, my friends. Bye.